Are you looking for a SaaS landing page website for content generation, SaaS or marketing automation? A landing page for your SaaS company, SaaS products, app preview page, or any other business? Introducing Aiwrite, the best Webflow SaaS landing page template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, let's explore the live preview of Aiwrite. Now, let's see how to use Aiwrite. So, if you are looking for the best SaaS landing page template, get Aiwrite. And if you want to browse more templates, visit templates.themeencode.com.